Eighth notes are the most commonly seen note value type after quarter notes and half notes, and they're the first note value type that we've seen that is actually smaller than a single beat. Eighth notes are half a beat in length. We'll reinforce that and go into more detail in a moment, but before that, let's take a quick look at how eighth notes appear in music notation. Single eighth notes in music notation, that is, eighth notes that are by themselves instead of in multiples, look like quarter notes but with one key difference. They have this flag that hangs off the note stem. What you're looking at here are two different versions of a flagged eighth note, one with the stem going up and one with the stem going down. And as with quarter notes, which way the stem goes has to do with where the notes are positioned on the staff. Generally speaking, if the note is located above the center line on the staff, the stem will go down, and if it's positioned below the center line, it will go up, as you see here. Now, another way in which eighth notes are unique from quarter notes is that they appear differently when in groups than when alone. Here, you're now looking at eighth notes grouped in two, and as you can see, the notes are now connected by what's called a beam. The rules for whether the beam stems go up or down on a staff are a little different than for single notes, and for that reason we'll hold off on addressing them until we can take a closer look at some different examples. But for now, this is how a basic set of two eighth notes would look on the staff, positioned both above and below the center line. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, eighth notes are half a beat in length, but the easiest way to make this as clear as possible, as quickly as possible, might be to start back with our whole notes and break down our note value types until we get to eighth notes. Okay, so let's do that. Let's, of course, start with whole notes, one of which is 4 counts in length total. Notice I'm using the word counts instead of beats here to avoid any confusion. So one whole note equals 4 counts. After that, we have half notes, which are 2 counts apiece, and I'm going to just fill in the same number of total counts for each note value in this visualization. So we'll see 2 half notes at 2 beats apiece, filling in the space of a single 4-count whole note. Okay, after that, quarter notes, which are 1 count apiece, so we'll have 4 of them here to fill in the length of a 4-count whole note. And you can see that they're counted individually as 1, 1, 1. Finally, we get to eighth notes, which are half a beat apiece, with 2 fitting into the length of 1 quarter note, resulting in 8 total to fill out the 4 counts of a single whole note, each counted individually. Notice the little plus signs in between the numbers. We count eighth notes as 1 and those plus signs are meant to represent the and part, which is exactly halfway through the beat. Thanks for watching this lesson from Liberty Park Music. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something from it, do us a favor, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, share it around. Let your friends and family check it out too. If you want to find more lessons like this or explore other piano-related topics, please come visit us at libertyparkmusic.com. We have full piano courses ranging from beginner to more advanced levels, and everything is online and streaming 24/7 so that you can design your music learning around your schedule and learn in the comfort of your own home from a talented roster of professional teachers and musicians. Come check us out.